How to transfer videos from Android to PC without losing quality. So the best way to transfer videos from your Android device to your PC without losing quality is to upload your videos on Google Drive. What it does is it will upload your videos on cloud on Google Drive, and you can access those videos with the same account on your PC. For that, you just need to head over to your phone's Google Drive application first. And now once you open up your drive, all you have to do is create a folder or something that you can identify on your PC. So here I've created a folder called video, and I've uploaded a video here. If you want to upload a new video, click on new, click on upload, and you can select any kind of video from here. So let me just upload a short video. And now a video has been started to upload on my drive, so I'm just going to wait for it to upload completely. Then you can just open up your PC, head over to your browser and go to Google Drive, log into the same account as you are logged in here, and then you can easily access this video and download it from there. It's as easy as that. So here I have uploaded a short video. So the option that you can get is tap on 3 lines, and then here you will get an option to download on your PC as well, so you can download it from there. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.